Hi, my name is Pat McGarry and I'm the CTO at Bandura Cyber. In this short video, I'd like to briefly introduce some of our new cloud offerings and how they can solve some interesting business problems for you. One serious challenge that businesses are facing is how best to secure their work-from-home personnel, especially as the numbers of such personnel have climbed during the global pandemic. One obvious solution is to hairpin users back through on-premise networks, but that can overwhelm limited on-premise firewall, VPN, and ISP bandwidth resources. Our ThreatBlockr cloud solution in AWS solves that problem. You can deploy ThreatBlockr Cloud directly from AWS Marketplace into an existing or a new AWS VPC, thereby protecting all traffic into and out of that VPC with the exact same Bandura Cyber technology that you're used to using on-premise, managed exactly the same way through our SaaS platform. And we've also made ThreatBlockr Anywhere Server available in AWS Marketplace, which provides an out-of-the-box OpenVPN plus Squid proxy server. It is meant to operate as a protected instance alongside your ThreatBlockr Cloud deployment. Now, when you deploy these together, you can hairpin your work-from-home users through the cloud and get the same protection from our platform that you enjoy when operating on-premise. So let's see it in action. Here we see that we have the ThreatBlockr Cloud and the ThreatBlockr Anywhere Server running, and the public IP of the Anywhere Server, VSE1, is 34.200.228.236. We provided an authorized remote employee the OpenVPN credential file to use to connect to the VPN, and you can see that the IP matches up. They can use any OpenVPN compatible client of their choosing. In this case, the user is on an Ubuntu Linux system. Yep, it even works on Linux and uses a simple connection script to automatically connect. This user's favorite browser is Mozilla Firefox, and they've set up a browser profile to utilize the Squid proxy resident on the ThreatBlockr Anywhere server. Any modern operating system, including mobile operating systems, can be used since OpenVPN clients are ubiquitous. Additionally, any modern browser can be used, and proxy configurations can generally be configured as needed in either the operating system, the browser, or both. This particular authenticated user is located in the state of Maryland and is being hairpinned back through the AWS US East 1 region in Northern Virginia. So let's ask Google what the IP address is, and of course, this is the public IP of the proxy server as we expected. Next, we run a Google speed test through the infrastructure, which shows on the order of about 200 megabits per second of throughput in each direction, and sometimes significantly more. That's kind of awesome, especially considering we're traversing a slew of cloud infrastructure in addition to affording real-time bidirectional protection on all flowing traffic. Put another way, hairpinning traffic through the cloud can be fast and secure when it's done right. The user can do anything they would normally do. All traffic is protected through the hairpin we've configured. For example, there are a few popular news sources bookmarked here, and as we click through them, we can see the page views come up quickly and effortlessly through the hairpin, whether it's the Associated Press, BBC, Fox News, CNN, everything works just like you would expect it would. Although this demo shows browser traffic being protected, this architecture works with more than just web traffic. It will work with any protocol, since an IT department can set up the VPN routes to route as much or as little traffic as needed through the protected hairpin. Since our cloud solution works exactly the same way as our on-premise solution does, it effectively acts as a true bump in the wire, monitoring everything routed through it, web traffic and non-web traffic, with our real-time patented IP and domain blocking technology. Thank you very much for your time, and I sincerely hope this short video was useful to you. For more information, please feel free to check out our website at banduracyber.com or directly on the AWS Marketplace.